Flood the game, flood the game. People better get out my way. I'm fulfilling the prophecy, bringing real lyrics back to the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. My rhyme is a blazing flame. Hurykane, it be the name. And it's time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. It's time for me to flood the game. Hurykane, it be the name. It is time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. They say give up on this rap shit. The only way to make it be on that fact shit. Well, fuck that, nigga, I ain't on that bullshit. I'd rather sell dope till the shit don't exist. Fuck it, it's the system that we living in. But the world is a ghetto, can you see the shit? Celebrities in the White House. When the government gon' shut down, I don't know, but if it do, I'm gonna round up the fucking troops. Revolutionary mind, gotta keep it true. Now throw your flags up, black, red, purple, blue. And the mother flags, throw it dub with your mags. Time to fucking go to war, hope it be the last. Yeah, we finally on one accord. Yeah, we got guns, machetes and swords. Bitch, no more getting the wars. The real reward is singing our spiritual form and descending higher in consciousness, spreading love and light. Hope you acknowledge this. The game fucked up, I'm the one that's stopping this. I was told I was gonna be here in a prophecy. I am the spiritual, metaphysical, lyrical. My rhymes manifesting the miracles in your physical. Can you feel it? All these heavenly spirits releasing all of my senses when I'm spitting these lyrics. With the powers of chakra, I'ma shock ya. Using all the powers of mantra, I'ma prosper. This is my La Raza, bow down to the monster. I'm the real storm, the rest of the y'all imposters. Chop you up like pasta, break you off something proper. SK, up in your face, that bitch a monster. People better get out my way. I'm fulfilling the prophecy, bringing real lyrics back to the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. My rhyme is a blazing flame. Hurykane, it be the name. But it's time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. It's time for me to flood the game. Hurykane, it be the name. It is time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. People better get out my way. I'm fulfilling the prophecy, bringing real lyrics back to the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. My rhyme is a blazing flame. Hurykane, it be the name. It is time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man. It's time for me to flood the game. Hurykane, it be the name. It is time for me to flood the game. I gotta do this shit forever, man.